Do you know the key parameters required to describe the presence of water in the air? Well, here are the fundamental guidelines for describing humidity in the atmosphere. Temperature. This is a crucial factor in understanding our comfort in different environments. When the temperature is higher, the air can hold more humidity in vapor form. The reason behind this is that at higher temperatures, water molecules in the air move faster and are less likely to condense into liquid form. So if you're in a warm environment, the air can hold more moisture in the form of water vapor. Relative humidity. This tells you how much water vapor is in the air compared to how much it could hold at a given temperature. Think of it as a percentage. For example, if the relative humidity is 100%, it means the air is holding as much water vapor as it can at that temperature. This often leads to rain or the possibility of dew forming. Dew point. Dew point is used to tell the amount of water in the air related to one of the most common humidity problems we have: condensation. If you have a surface in a room with colder temperature than the air's dew point, you will have condensation on that surface. Absolute humidity. This measurement tells us the amount of water vapor in the air. It's usually measured in grams of water vapor per kilogram of dry air. Absolute humidity helps us understand how wet or dry the air is regardless of the temperature. DST Absolute Calculator. If you'd like to determine the relative and absolute humidity easily, you can visit our website using this link. Humidity Calculator. We have a convenient built-in feature that can assist you in providing accurate and quick results, making it easy for users to obtain the information they need. Feel free to explore our website further, and if you have any questions or need additional information, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to make understanding these concepts as friendly and straightforward as possible. We are DST, world leaders in dehumidification.